All right, it is after dinner and Dan and I are craving something sweet. So I'm gonna make one of my favorite healthy desserts from World of Vegan, and it is our date walnut truffles. They're so easy. They're made with a base of medjool dates. This is the brand that I find at Whole Foods, that they're nice and squishy. You really need those like soft, squishy, fresh dates. Those are delicious. You'll need some raw walnuts, nice healthy brain food, and then vanilla extract and salt. It's as simple as that. You blend it all up in the trusty food processor and roll it into balls. Dip it in whatever you want, and let me show you how to do it. So this is done. You know it's done when it forms a ball of dough. I've done this with 2 food processors now, and they both work this way. Keep blending until it sort of forms itself into a ball of dough that looks like this. Now we're gonna roll these up. And you can dip them in a whole number of things. Today I'm gonna be dipping them in coconut shreds, but you can dip them in cocoa powder, you can dip them in sprinkles, mini vegan chocolate chips, chia seeds. What are some other things that I've done? Powdered sugar. There are so many options, but today we're gonna do coconut. Here's what the dough looks like. Here are my coconut covered balls, and I've decided I'm gonna cover some of them in chia seeds just as an extra boost of health for hubby and I as we snack on these throughout the week. These do taste good, just like this once you're done prepping them, but I promise you they taste even better once they've been frozen. So package them up, stick them in the freezer for at least a few hours, but better yet, overnight, and just keep them there for whenever you need a sweet treat. And you guys, these are divine. You have got to make them. I will pop the recipe down below. They're called date and walnut truffles at worldofvegan.com. So I encourage you to make them right now, as soon as you can get your paws on some dates. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to stay tuned for more, be sure to hit subscribe and thumbs up this video if you liked it and want to support this channel. Sending you all lots of love, the happiest new year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.